Good day to you again. In this video, I will be showing you how you can use this strategy to trade profitably. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so that you'll be able to receive new updates or new strategy that I'm going to drop soon. And kindly like my video also. All right, let's move on. Let me show you the indicator, and I believe you know how to paste indicator into your MT4, and this indicator is meant for MT4. In case you don't know how to do that, just go to file, go to file if you want to uh, copy and paste some indicator, and go to open data folder. Then click on MQL4, double click on it and double click on the indicator, then drop the indicator I'm going to give you. You drop it here. I have it already. Copy and paste it here. So I'm not going to do that. Let's go straight. Let me attach this indicator to the chart. Uh, you can either go through this and check a few navigator, or you press Control L on your keyboard. All right, I have this three indicator I'll be using. Let me attach them. Uh, this is it, and I'm going to change the color. This is blue. So let's change this color to same color so that we know which of the indicator give us a signal. All right, let me go with yellow, and this change it to yellow also. Then click OK. Now we have it. Then the second one is NRT. That's now repaint also. Change this to D1, that is daily, and you might turn on all of the alert because I don't like it also. And this color, let's kindly change it. You can change the color from here. Let me change it to white, and this to white. Now we have two indicator. These two indicator does not repaint. Here is it. As it two. Then the third one I'm going to add is this indicator. Let me increase the width a bit. Then enable alert. I don't want to okay. This you can leave the period. And this after that, just click OK. Now we'll be using these three indicators to trade. Now, this is how you use this indicator. We have this white. Most of the time, it's going to give us uh, direction, or give us this arrow is going to come out at the opening of the new day. So that's why we have it here. I just demarcate it for you. Take Control Y, and then here is it. We have a signal here. We have another one here. We have one here. That's why I place order for a buy here. Now this is how I use it. It's as simple as ABC. Number one, you look out for this white arrow that will come out each day at the opening of the session most of the time. That's why you have it here. And then you wait for the second arrow, which is this, to come out before you place your order. And when you want to place it, you just check this the indicator below. This just gave us blue here. We didn't see this one. So at this point that this yellow arrow was out, and this was also blue also, so we placed the trade for a buy, and that's why we are in buy. And as you can see, I'm in buy. This is a live account, and to your stop loss is going to be below this previous. Let me put it below this week. and your take profit, and this is where my take profit is. You can either put it here, or here, or you train your training stop, or you can use other Fibonacci retracement or other indicators to know where to actually get out of your trade. So if you check back, you find out that here is another one, and this is blue. Here is a sell signal, but at this point, the indicator below this is still blue, so we cannot enter, cannot place this trade. We wait for when this was out, this was also red also, so we are good to go. Here 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 we are not good to go. Here is it, giving us a sell, but this is still blue, so we cannot take this trade at this time. So the signal around there, this is invalid. This does not mean that it's not going to give us a little profit, but you know within you that it is not the main direction of the trend, just a pullback or a retracement. So you can go ahead or you can check back the previous. Let me try and disconnect my internet so that we can check the history. I'll check the history. Uh, okay, here is it. There is another one by, but here at this point is still yellow, red. We'll wait for this and a candle or two, then we are good to go for a buy. Here is a sell signal. Here we are not going to take that because this is blue, and here is it. We have it here, so we go in. Here is a buy signal here. We are not going to take it at this point. The yellow, we have this yellow arrow here. So, and this is blue also, so we go in. Uh, Here is another one for a buy, but this is not blue yet until this point. Around this point, then we go in. This is how you trade this strategy. It's very simple. Just three confirmation, and you are good to go. You're good to go. In case you've not subscribed, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and to enjoy the rest of the day. To enjoy, subscribe, chat me up, join the Telegram group, chat me up in case you have any question. You can ask, you can comment below, or you chat me up on Telegram. I'm more than happy to actually put you through. Again, to enjoy your trading. Thanks.